Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we can do first derivative for the both sides. So for this one, we have 2u du. This one, we have number 1, so we have number 3 ds. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 3 because we don't have number 3 next to the s. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. U and u we simplify. Number 5 and number 2, we have number 10. This one we have 10 over 3u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.